Hey guys, how you doing? So today I have a project, and I'm starting the project. Will I finish it today? I don't know. It's like the phone keeps ringing. It's just like there's all kinds of stuff going on here, but we need to change this. We need to fix this thing. We need to replace it. Now this is the third time that I've done this on this particular machine. I've owned it since 2015, and the big problem and why that is, you'd say, wow, you've gone through 3 compressor pumps? Yeah, you know why? You know why? Because this is a Honda GX 360. It's a 13 horsepower motor. This is a 5 to 7 horsepower pump, and it just can't keep up. It cannot keep up, and I burn them out. I burn them out. I change the oil every year. I do everything I'm supposed to, but I constantly burn them out. So we're going to take all this apart, and we'll put it all back together with a new pump, and you'll get to see how that goes. So it's really simple. You got these 4 bolts right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That comes off. This is your air line. This is the line that supplies air to the tank. In my case, this is a soft copper line. So we're going to take that off first. So we're taking this thing off. This is the last piece of the puzzle to get this bad Larry off. Very, very easy swap, guys. Probably one of the easiest swaps you're gonna go through when it comes to like working on this damn thing. You're gonna have more fucking problems with this stupid thing. I mean, I don't really even need to take that part. Yeah, do I? No, I don't need to, because I can just take the whole machine this way. So yeah, so watch. Everything's unplugged or unbolted. We're gonna push this thing in like so. Take this belt off, like, you know. Okay, now if this wasn't my parking lot, if this was the dirt, I would just fucking chuck this thing. Goodbye. Goodbye. You serve no more purpose. You're gone. See ya, dog. Oh, what's that? What are we stuck on, Batman? Hurry up. Nope, we're not stuck on anything. Yeah. Fucking man shit right there. Alright, now we take the other one. We'll call this one the other one. Right. We'll fucking put it right up here. I should clean that off. This is a perfect time to clean that off. Alright. Oh, sorry. Easy, guy. Oh, you just broke the valve. Not really. Only one side. You don't use that anyways. Alright. That's going to go like this. Now, you don't want to put this on yet. You got to get your... Believe it or not, very easy to tighten this. You're just putting this thing on, kind of jerking it towards you a little bit. Here's your flywheel. This is going to go on, and there's going to be a bolt in the package that will help you press this on the rest of the way. Okay, you'll see. You'll see what I mean. Oh, it's down there. All right. You're gonna take this thing with the Loctite and this washer right here. Bang. The washer is there to help guide the pulley on straight. Okay? The Loctite, is there to ensure that it doesn't come out once it goes in. And I can tell you from owning 3 of these, I've never had that issue. It's also reverse thread for those scoring at home. Why? Because the pump itself goes this way. So that would be silly if they did it the other way. Alright, we're fighting with this thing a little bit. Might as well get my meltdown on camera when it happens. Some guys use a hose, right? Some guys use a hose. This guy, whoever built this, used soft copper. Now, if I was a real man and I was thinking, when I just went to Home Depot, I would have just bought a 3/4 inch hose. Or 1 inch hose, whatever this is. I probably would have bought the 3/4 and then got back and realized it was 1 inch. There we go. Alright, meltdown averted, we're good. We're back, motherfucker. It's not fucking good. God damn it. You know, it only... It sucks that it's, 103 out right now. And I will say, it's nice with the breeze. I'm going to be one of these people that says, it's nice with the breeze. It's actually nice with the breeze. No, it's not nice with the breeze. The breeze makes it so that I'm not just going to walk away. I'm not just going to go home and go, fuck this. I will do this some other time. Or, even worse, I'm just going to call somebody and pay them to do it. I'm fully capable, but I've given up. Alright, now I'm good now. Alright, so, I mean, we pretty much got this thing put back together. We're going to start adding oil. Now, very, very important when you're putting oil in. Don't just go grabbing some motor oil off the shelf. You need compressor oil. It doesn't have detergent in it. And always go with the synthetic, because I hear that's better. But I want to show you. So we had to take the drain plug off the other one. I could have swore I saw a new one, but it's gone. I'll blame my nephew Tyler for probably losing it on the way between here and there. No, I'm only kidding. But this is put together. We put it on. We got a nice tight belt, enough to run the pump at least. We got to hook back up our soft copper line, which is this right here. Some of you might have a hose or whatever. There is, I gotta freaking, it's supposed to be an elbow. I gotta get the elbow. Mother, burp, burp. So I got this right here. This is gonna go on right here like this. And there's an elbow that comes down. As you can imagine, you can see how it almost fits together right underneath there. So it looks like I might have to go take the other one off of that. But in the meantime, we're gonna add oil. You got a little filler on the bottom. I just dumped out a ton of oil of the old one, pulling that drain plug. So I'm curious to see approximately how much it takes to refill it. I don't know if I tighten that either. Ugh. And a pair of pliers. Okay, no problem. Alrighty, now we are good. We are all put back together. Tools aren't picked up yet, but whatever. It's hot. We're going to add some more lube. Diggity. Okay. It looks about right. I'm gonna fire it up and you know, give it a whirl. Let the oil, you know, go where the oil goes, and then we'll shut it off and refill it and call it a day. Now what I'll be pissed is if I see this pump start stopping on me and I find out the whole time it was just the belt that was loose. No, that's not going to be funny, Ryan. No, but fitting. Alrighty.